Overall, and this is one of the things that really attracted myself to Trina, is the vertical integration. Not just on the ability to actually manufacture and have, basically be vertically integrated all the way from cell to the top, but the ability to feed in the requirements, to make sure we can get in each of those requirements in on each of the subcomponents as it's built out. And being in charge of the supply chain ourselves, we've got the ability to fine tune as well as keep good control on flow of goods.
Safety is one of my focus for Trina. We are trying to design everything around safety and compliance with different markets around the world. And Trina is really focusing on controlling this, working with suppliers, be sure that we can control all the system integration from the ground, from where the cells are located at the base with all the supply chain, the raw material up to the system level, and be sure that we have in place everything to mitigate the problem that's really is affecting our society nowadays.
I think working with the Trina team has been a positive experience. There's good cooperation on both sides, excellent interaction and good communication. So this is my first time physically seeing the Elementa product. From first viewing, it appears to give due consideration to all the key elements that we would be looking for. So things like, from an O&M perspective, how easy it is to address issues or to maintain the product, inspect it, all things like that.